Smout here with a quick teaser as to what you might expect if you join us at the OHBM workshop on reimagining the incentivization structure in academia. So first I'll be taking us through the four major crises in science today, and they are access, reproducibility, the serials crisis, and the evaluation crisis. And then I'll be showing you all the ways that we can address these problems through open science and giving you a broad overview about all the ways throughout the research pipeline that you can be making your research more open, transparent, and collaborative today. Then I'll be presenting some ideas about how I think we could be mobilizing as an early career researcher community to create a better future for all of us. Now, to me, that's a future where we don't have to sacrifice our scientific integrity to communicate our work and succeed within academia, but I'm very keen to hear from you and what your experiences have been like and what you think the future of academia should look like. So if you'd like to get involved in this discussion, I invite you to please check out my talk and then join us at the workshop. Hope to see you there.